There's one amazing aspect of knowledge, and that it is this tool which expands your existence. You may wonder, what do you mean? How does knowledge expand my existence? There's only one type of existence. Either I exist or do not exist. What does it mean for knowledge to expand my existence? Yes, knowledge has the power to expand your existence. Take a small baby duck as an example. What's the difference between you and a duck? Aside from the fact that the duck quacks, of course, but what's the difference between you and a duck? You both exist, right? You're both living, you're not dead. But what's the difference? The difference between you and the duck is your capacity to know, is the awareness that you have about your existence. So yes, the duck exists and you also exist, but there's a difference between your existence. You have a greater existence because knowledge has the power to increase your existence, to increase its capacity, to extend it and to expand it. Absolutely. That's why the joys that you have is greater than an animal, than a baby duck. Because with knowledge comes joy. Knowledge brings you more joy. You as a human being, because of your intellectual capacity, there are types of joys that you have which the animals don't have. Many of us, we enjoy being leaders, being in a leadership position. It's a source of joy for us. Many of us enjoy being CEOs. We enjoy being praised in society. Have you seen an animal that enjoys being praised? Because their existence is limited. They don't comprehend this type of joy. We have so many different joys in our lives. I know some people, one of their greatest joys is to know that a member of the opposite gender is in love with them. For them, that's the best joy in the world and the best feeling in the world. That there are people who love me. There are people who pursue me, who find me attractive. This is a source of joy for them. I tell you, one of the greatest sources of joy that surpasses all of that is the joy of knowing, is the joy of knowledge. There is nothing that can surpass that.